Politics divide and rule. Politics don't show people God. Politics tell you that somebody can do something fair. You know? But we know it's God that do everything. So the best man to deal with is God. When you deal with God, you don't deal with politics because politics divide and rule.
I accepted all my flaws, that's what really made me. Talking about this shit, looking back, that shit crazy. No matter how rich I get, I won't let them faze me or change me on God.
What it do, YouTube? It's your boy Spiritual Homie, man. I know it's been a little minute. Well, it might have not been a little minute, especially if I uploaded my recent vid, the visualization vid. I'm gonna make sure I get that out for y'all. It might be up by the time this is up, so go ahead, check that out. But I want to talk about the times right now and what's been happening lately. So y'all know election recently happened. You feel me? Election day recently happened. Trump is the new president. No, I am not on either side. I am not on anybody's side. Because at the end of the day, I'm on God's side, okay? So y'all can have all of that politicking and all of that. Because I already told y'all about this in the past. If you haven't watched my, I was just discovering or going over situations in the Matrix or things in the Matrix that's fake. You know what I'm saying? Things in this world that's fake. You feel me? So, nigga, tell me why, like, right now, everything feeling like Boondocks. If y'all don't know what I'm talking about, it's an old anime show called Boondocks. I'm pretty sure y'all know what I'm talking about. But yeah, in that show, everybody was just either racist or just ignorant. You feel me? Just ignorant. That's how America is. You feel me? They pretty much played out in that show how America was gonna be in years later. You feel me? Just ignorant, racist, people that don't know nothing. You know what I'm saying? Just uneducated. You feel me? So tell me why it reminds me of the episode when Obama was becoming president.
Obama, now I'm dick riding. Obama, now I'm dick riding. Obama, now I'm dick riding.
You feel me? Literally, like, everything about that episode, like, ties in with election day or just, you know what I'm saying? Just electing the president in general. You feel me? It has a lot to do with it, bro. And I want to just get this, you know what I'm saying, clear to y'all. Because, like, bro, this shit bogus. They trip out when you don't vote. But when you do vote, and then you vote for somebody that they don't like, then they against your ass. Like, it's like, you know what I'm saying? It's conflict either way, or it's negative vibes either way. Like, what the fuck? One thing I forgot to mention. What's so funny to me is that in real life, I don't know if y'all know who Charleston White is. He is literally a real life Uncle Ruckus.
Now, I think it's time for me to leave this great country. Oh, I can't bear to see it run by an African, Muslim, communist antichrist. I just can't. It's just like when Nicole Brown Simpson married that nigga OJ back on February 2nd, 1985. Oh, I knew it was going to end badly. I told them all. But nobody wanted to listen to old Uncle Ruckus then neither.
Y'all let the people have a free little dirt. Rest in peace, King Von. I'm just trying to celebrate a great president. That's all I'm trying to do. And I ain't trying to hurt nobody celebrating Mr. President. They got the white man back in the White House where he belong. White man don't believe nobody in the White House. That's where he belong, in the White House. Don't nobody else belong in the White House but that man. Anybody else belong on the job, working. The white man run this country. Don't nobody know how to run this country like a white man.
Someplace I'll fit in, like Norway or Ireland.
What about the Ivory Coast?
Absolutely no Africa. No way. All them countries got nigger presidents, which defeats the whole purpose of leaving this country.
Oh, I firmly believe that. You put somebody else, they don't know what to do in this wartime. White man know what to do in the wartime. The white man know what to do in the wartime. That's why I say put the white man back in there, because he know exactly what to do, and he know what to do with... Don't nobody else know what to do with these people. But the white man know what to do. Give police full immunity. We're asking for full immunity, Mr. Trump. We want the police to have full immunity running around this country, because when they got to go into the hood, they might lose their lives. And if they try to do their job, they might lose their job. So what we need the police to have full immunity, Mr. President. Please, Mr. President, hurry up, sign an executive order to give the police full immunity so they can do their job to the best of their ability, to the fullest, Mr. President. Oh, Father God, Lord Jesus, we thank you.
Oh, we better be great again. Oh, we better be great again. I was born
Say, boy, I got Trump everything. I got Trump. I got Trump. I just the new Trump hat. Look at that. That's the new boy. That boy. Take out. That's the new boy. Ooh, that's the new boy. Look at that now. Ah, that's when we were hoping he was coming back. That's when we were hoping he would come back. Look at that say right there. USA, United States of America. Oh, that's when having money then. Oh, I'm a son of a Confederate soldier. Look what we got the Trump corn. Right? Look at that Trump corn. Look how Mr. President looking right there, y'all. Oh, look at my president. Flip him over, boy. That's a real gold coin. That comes straight from the White House. Watch this here. Boy, we got Trump candy. We got Trump socks. Make America MAGA, a MAGA, pack out a fine. This the first MAGA hat right here. Look how old it is. Oh, that's the first MAGA hat there.
Great white man. Didn't take no shit from niggers, Indians, nor Mexicans. And this one here's for George Bush the First. Loved him.
Look at my boy. Look at my boy. Look at him. Look at him, y'all. Look at him. You better look at him. Look at him right now. Look at him. Look at my president. That's my president. Oh, that's my president. That's my president. Ah, that's my president. Oh, we got him back, boy. The girl, we got him back. There go my boy right there. We got the president. Look at that, my president. That's my president right there, y'all. That's my boy.
Only nigga in that show I know that's conscious, you know what I'm saying, and actually be paying attention to what's going on is Huey. You feel me? Huey kind of like me, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Huey kind of like me. Nigga stay to himself. Nigga, you know what I'm saying, quiet. And he just be knowing everything, especially on the spiritual level throughout that show. You just notice, you feel me? The nigga Huey just a conscious nigga. But yeah, it was one part of that episode where Huey was just vibing. I'm gonna play the clip too. Huey was just vibing, chilling on the bench, and then some supporters just walked up to him, talking about did you vote for Obama? Did you vote for Obama? He didn't say a word. Huey did not say a word, okay?
Hey, man, I got that Obama water. Change the way you hydrate, brother. Yo, little man, hey, check it out. I got commemorative plates, 2 for $20. How many you need?
I'm cool.
Man, can you believe it? In a few days, we're gonna have a black president. Aren't you excited, little man? What's supposed to mean?
Just means
Yo, what the deal, man? What's going on here?
Man? Yo, I asked this kid if he was excited about Obama, and he said,
He said,
Yeah, what's wrong with you? You're not excited?
Not excited?
Who ain't excited?
This little nigga right here.
Why ain't he excited?
So you don't like Obama? You want McCain to win?
I never said that.
Why ain't you like Barack Obama? He got a lovely family.
Not according to this little nigga.
He got a problem with a black president.
Boy, what's going on? What did I tell you about talking to anybody about
I didn't
anything?
say anything.
What's wrong with this kid?
Hey, everybody.
Huey didn't say nothing. You feel me? So I guess, I don't know, some spirit woke up into these niggas. Some spirit woke up. Back to what I was saying. Yeah, I don't know what spirit, what entity woke up into or was brought into them niggas to just make them go against Huey. You feel me? Because Huey wasn't doing shit. You feel me? Nigga was not doing nothing. Nigga was just chilling. So that's how I feel it is in today, like present day. You feel me? Niggas is not even arguing with nobody. Everybody at peace with, you know what I'm saying, with themselves or whatever. And it's just people that's arguing or tripping about the voting and shit. You feel me? Them niggas come along to fuck up your day. Like, what the fuck? You feel me? Shit not that serious, bro. For it's serious because the policy or the laws that Trump is trying to push onto our country, but you feel me? It's not serious to the point where you gotta bash everybody for, you know what I'm saying, for something that's not in their control. You feel me? Because if y'all don't know, bro, them shit's predetermined. Okay, them elections, bro, them shits are predetermined, bro. Like, you have no, I'm gonna be honest, you have no power, and I've said this before, you have no power when it comes to president, okay? When it comes to the president of the United States, when it comes to that decision, bro, it's predetermined, okay? You have no, I'm gonna be honest, you have no power over that vote. Back then, in that video while I was talking about the Matrix, I'm gonna make sure I play that clip of that video. But yeah, when I was talking about the Matrix, things that's fake, etc., I was talking about politics. I said, do not try and vote for the president and think that that's who's gonna be the president. Like, you have power over it. Because it's really like you don't, okay? Like I said, it's predetermined.
But politics, yes, bro. It's literally what it is. It's just a fucking play. It's just a play. Like, it's just an act. They not really, you feel me? They not, bro. Go your dumb ass. Go vote. Go vote. You go vote, bro. It's not even gonna be the same nigga you wanted to choose. It's gonna be somebody way different. It's really just gonna be whoever they want it to be, and that's what I'm trying to get across. Like, bro, all of that government shit is just a play, bro. It's all just a play. They know who they want in the office. They gonna have him in the office. What you probably should be worrying about is what governor, like, your state, like, local. That's the only voting you need to worry about. Like, who your governor is, mayor, all of that. You know what I'm saying? Just the state-wise. Don't worry about who gonna be the president. Like, bro, that...
Tell me why that came up to me. I'm gonna be honest, I voted, okay? I ain't gonna tell y'all who I voted for, but I voted, okay? You know how they keep the stats and shit? They be on the news, all these fake stats and shit, all this shit on the whatever, okay? All this shit on the screen, whatever. It's just like a big old puppet show, a big old play. You feel me? That's how this shit feel to be. But tell me why they had like the votes for the governor or the leaders of the state, you feel me? They had those, like the votes were high, you feel me? It kept saying like 100,000 people didn't vote for the president, you feel me? So like that don't even make sense, bro. That don't even make sense, because when I was on the ballot, bro, I couldn't go to the next question unless I answered that question, you feel me? I couldn't go to the next pick unless I answered this pick. So I'm trying to, you know what I'm saying? Unless I confirmed the pick that I was already at. So the president was the first pick. If I don't pick that pick, I can't go to the next slide, or I can't go to the next thing in the ballot. So I'm confused, you feel me? How the fuck is it 100,000 people that didn't vote for the president, but the numbers is hella high or damn near the same for the leaders of the state, or the leaders, the governors, the mayor, you feel me? People like that, bro. I'm so confused, bro. I'm definitely so confused. But once again, then I'm not, because it's like I said, it's predetermined, bro. It's predetermined, bro. You do not have power over picking the president. I'm gonna be honest with you. If we really did have power over picking the president, shout out to Lindo Sama, bro. I'll be watching him. Tell me how we have power over picking the president or choosing the president, and we only are limited to 2 options, okay? And those 2 options are terrible, or options that you don't even really want to pick. You feel me? That's bogus. You feel me? That's bogus. It's like we just supposed to deal with the card that we dealt with, whatever, or deal with the two people we, you know what I'm saying? We can only choose. Like, I'm confused, bro. If that was the case and we had power over choosing the president, then we could choose, you know what I'm saying? It'll be more people. It'll be more people competing for the spot. But I'm confused why it's only 2 people. And then there's another thing he said in the video. Lindo Sama said in the video. It's because of their power. It's because of the amount of money they have, okay? Y'all know Trump. Y'all know Trump. He done been through some shit too, so I know he's covered by the Masons, bro. Okay, he's protected by the Masons, bro. In every shit way and form. I'm talking about he went to jail, damn near almost got shot. PPP loan scams and shit. Like, come on now. Trump is not even supposed to be, you know what I'm saying, up there. Trump is not supposed to be our president, you feel me? But it is what it is, bro. You feel me? It is what it is. We have no control, okay? We have no control over, you know what I'm saying, the government, you know what I'm saying, the politics, you feel me? It just is what it is. This is why it's best to focus on yourself, all right? That big old election shit was just a big-ass distraction, okay? Big-ass distraction to keep you away from your purpose and what you got going on, okay? Big-ass distraction. What happened at the end of that big-ass distraction? Everybody going against each other and shit, talking about they unfollowing each other, or they breaking up with their boyfriends or their girlfriends for voting for this person or not voting, or, you feel me? Like, that's bogus, bruh. That's so bogus, man. This world is just, you know what I'm saying, being attacked by the negativity, bruh. You feel me? It's just overflowing with the negativity, you feel me? It be shit like that the government or these Masons try to, you feel me, bring us towards, make us think we crazy, just to distract us, just to keep us away from our purpose, y'all. When I first was like introduced to spirituality back in 2020, I was told that Trump was gonna be president again. Yeah, they might have had y'all a little fooled thinking that it was gonna be the first female president because, you know what I'm saying, y'all know how Simpsons be predicting shit, y'all feel me? They only predict, if you do not know, they only predicting shit because there's Freemasons that run the Simpsons as well, okay? It's just a big ass play, y'all. Okay, enjoy the show, especially if you were chosen one. You got nothing to fear, y'all. You got nothing to fear. Everybody that's going against each other, acting the way they acting, unfollowing people, breaking up with their peoples and shit, all because of fear, y'all. All because of fear. All because of their fear of what Donald Trump might do to them. You feel me? So just stay, bro. Just stay 10 toes. You know what I'm saying? Stay to yourself. Make sure you're taking care of yourself. So y'all know self-love is the best love. Okay, keep loving on yourself. All right, worry about yourself. Worry about your purpose, bro. Do not worry about these politics and the government and what the fuck is going on. It's all just a big ass play, y'all. You feel me? So yeah, if you was locked in on this election shit, it's time to lock back in. All right, time to lock back into your purpose. You feel me? Time to lock back into the grind, cause that shit was just a big old show, a big old play, a big old distraction. This shit come around every 4 years just to keep us distracted, just to keep us in our lower vibration. You feel me? Going against each other like it's Bloods versus Crips. Come on, man. That shit not cool. Okay, that shit is not cool. You feel me? I'm all about peace and bringing the world together as one. You feel me? One love. You feel me? There should be no reason why we arguing or going against each other just to find a leader of this country. You feel me? Go get your passport and go to another country. You feel me? If that's the case, all right, don't trip. Do not trip, bruh. All we can do in America is just map it out and trap it out. You feel me? Just map it out and trap it out. All right? That's the problem with some folk. They don't map it out. You feel me? They don't map it out and take action. You feel me? You gotta know what it is that's gonna get you out of the situation you in. You feel me? We all wanna be rich, man. I hope every single one of y'all that's watching this get rich, okay? I hope every single one of y'all that's watching this become very, 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 very successful in life, all right? And I mean very, 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 very successful, all right? At whatever it is that you wanna do in life, all right? Do not let America or do not let these politics and what's going on in the world distract you from what you want to do, what you truly want to do. All right, be yourself. I think I'm gonna end this off right here, doing a lot of yapping, walking in circles, but I just had to get this video out for y'all. I had to get this content out for y'all, man. Appreciate every single one of y'all that stick to the end, man. I really hope you got some game, some wisdom, some knowledge from that video, my brother. All right, apply to your real life. Once again, this shit is just a big ass puppet show, okay? Do not trip. Make sure you tap that subscribe button. Leave a like if you're new, especially if you're new, man. Comment down below something positive. No negative vibes down there. Y'all know I don't really like the negative vibes. I don't really do the negative vibes. You know what I'm saying? We don't care. I tap in with the merch. I'm gonna leave that link down in the description below. All right. As well as the Patreon and the one-on-one consultation. I'm gonna leave all 3 links down there. Appreciate you once again for sticking to the end of the video, man. Please have a good ass night, have a good ass morning, have a good ass afternoon, man, wherever you at. Have a blessed day. Boy, spirits and homie guys, man, and I'm out.